Best face swap applications out there. Today I'm going to show you how to use this application here, like April. Stay tuned. It's pretty much the stream of the application. You have different templates that they have given you, which you can use from this video, but you can also go ahead and create your own. By just stopping on create your own content, you can upload or use any video that's 5 seconds long and use your face in it. So there are also requirements for you to achieve this. So let's say, for example, you want to replace this video with your face. All I got to do is just tap on continue. Let's say I want to use this template. As you can see here, these are examples which you need to make sure for it to work properly. It can't be the bad example. Make sure it's the good examples that you see here. So once it's taken properly, all I got to do is just go ahead and choose your photo, and then it will start generating. It will take a while, but trust me, it's definitely going to work. So over here where it says project is where all your generated videos will go. And in the settings option, nothing much than the pro premium subscription, which you can get from this application. So if you want to get the premium subscription, you can just tap on it.
Let me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters and
so as you can see, that is where you go to get your subscription. And I can't talk much because music is playing and I won't be able to pause it. But yeah, so very easy up to use. Nothing hard for you to not understand and very straightforward. So if you're gonna use another video from these templates, all you got to do is just create your own, upload the video that you're going to use, and make sure it's obviously a single face that's in the video. You can see the face very clearly, dark angle, and similar to these one that you see here. You should be able to replace the face with it. And just add a photo as I said before, the good example ones. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.